वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु
पीछे। अरे यार लड़कियां हैं सब, वाओ इट्स ब्यूटीफुल लेडीज ओवर देयर।
Shut up. Now let's start our program with a welcoming speech by Mrs. Samyukta, the head of the Department of EEE. I am really privileged to have pleasant task of welcoming the distinguished gathering for the college level chairman sir and director sir and Nikhil sir and Pooja ma'am, and we indeed grateful and pleased to invite teaching and non-teaching staff of Nishita College of Engineering and Technology, and also I invite the students of Nishita College of Engineering and Technology. A warm welcome to all of you. Thank you.
Now, I am really privileged to have the pleasant task of welcoming the distinguished gathering for the college 11th annual day function of Nishita College of Engineering and Technology.
Now, I'd like to say a few words. Like, there are many successful persons at present, but there are some people who leave a mark in the hearts of hundreds of people, and one such person is late Sri Bommaya Garu. We are grateful to you, sir. For you, we are standing here and we are celebrating the 11th successful annual day, and we will always remember you in every day and each occasion of ours.
Now, I would like to call upon a person who is the base pillar and as the base identity of Nishita College of Engineering and Technology. He is the responsible person for the successful 11th year of this college. He is none other than Mr. C. Vinay Kumar Garu. Onto the
Privileged to announce you with the bouquet, sir.
Director sir with a bouquet. And dynamic Nikhil sir onto the dais. Welcome you, sir. To request dear I'm very privileged to call upon our beloved, respectful and senior most faculty, Sir Zairuddin sir, onto the dais.
Inviting girls for singing Saraswati Vandana.
महागणपतिं श्रीमहागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुह वेदान्तं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियम् महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितं महागणपतिं श्रीमहागणपतिं. Thank you.
Initially, now let's have the pleasure to listening to the words of a great personality of our college, our chairman sir, Mr. C. Vinay Kumar Garu. Please welcome him with a huge round of applause, guys.
Today is very happy moment. That is, we are celebrating 11th annual day function of this institution. From last 11 years, almost 7 batches has left this institution. They passed out and got the BTech degree. And this is a great pleasure to inform all of you. More than 60% students have been left for MS course in United States of America. Though they are so much interested to do the jobs here in India, they are attracted by the foreign degrees, MS course, and they joined in United States of America and different universities. It is very great pleasure to us, great achievement of this institution also. This year, though they have so many opportunities here, we are offering the students to go for internship program in Malaysia also. And we have forwarded 10 students. This is not a pressure to all of you. This is just an opportunity. Those who has not got the job opportunity here, and those who are not interested to go to US for higher studies, they can go to Malaysia for internship program, for getting experience of 6 months to 1 year in multinational company, so that they have get the experience and got the certificate, experience certificate for the respective period. After then, the experience certificates a lot of weight for other institutions when you are going for interviews. And here, one student this year has been selected for Switzerland institution for this research work. Is a great achievement of this year, and every year lakhs of students came out with completion of this engineering course. So it is day by day become very difficult to get the job opportunities unless and until you have a specialization in your subjects. Because so many students, they are trying to get the admission in MTech also. That's why you should be very careful, should hard work, and then only you can get success in your life. Our college have all facilities, though they have digital library facility also, so many students, they are not properly using the facilities. I request all of them, all of you, to go to digital library facilities, use it and get the benefits of it. And this final year students, especially, what I'm already the farewell party is over, so I congratulate all of them to complete their completion their courses here. And I came to know that more than 50% students already got TOEFL courses score also for MS course. So all the best. Thank you.
Mr. Chairman, sir, dignitaries on the dais, members of the teaching staff, a change is good, and therefore we have changed our college day to annual day. Whether we should call it a college day or an annual day. We thought that annual day would be more impersonal, whereas college day, our college day would be much more personal. And for the last 10 years, we have been celebrating the college day. I don't know with whose decision this was to call it an annual day. Anyhow, it changes always for the better. And I hope that by changing the college day to the annual day, we will have a better future. I would like to talk about things which are not very pleasant to hear, but since we are all local people, I thought this is an important issue which should be brought up. As you people have noticed, there has been a slow deterioration in the standard of technical education in Andhra Pradesh state, probably elsewhere also. Decline in the number of admissions, accompanied by a large measure of indifference of the students to the college, to the institution. We have got attendance figures which we should be ashamed of. But then, when the time comes, we very conveniently sweep all these things under the carpet. But when we are considering the future of our institution, the future of academics in our institution, we should consider these things also. Why is it that, first of all, the admission goes down, and then we have the students' interest in the institution goes down? Only on such occasions we see above 70% attendance, which we are normally supposed to have. There is something wrong. There is something wrong, and we should try to diagnose and find some cure for this malady. Our results show that almost 50% of the students who take admission are not really interested in education. Maybe they are interested in a degree for a different purpose. perhaps for a Katnam, perhaps for satisfying the parents. I understand the Katnam prospects increase tremendously when you have an engineering degree. But the people who are really interested are not more than 50% of the people who take admission, about 50%. I cannot be exact. And this 50%, last year's result, for example, the final year result last year, only half the students got distinction, passed with distinction, and the other half actually failed because they had backlogs. That's all. Distinction and failures. How to interpret these results? It means, we all know that today it is not very difficult to get. With JNTU syllabus, it is not very difficult to get a distinction in the examination. It is primarily because of the indifference of the students. Students come to the college, many students come to the college only on such occasions. Even if they come, they don't come to the classes. Normally we should be happy. Normally the teacher should be happy that they have got half the class present only. Out of the 60 students, we have got only 30 students present. So we can conduct the class very comfortable. But it is our moral responsibility to examine why is it that this is happening and what should we do to see that this majority, this group, half 50% of the students who are coming to the class, why are they allowed to suffer because of the other 50% who are not interested in their studies? When we, having examined the attendance for the last 11 years, whenever the time for attendance comes, I am short of weeping.
That was really an inspiring speech. On behalf of all our students of our college, I promise to put your words into practice.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to call upon Dean of our college. Guessing whom? Yes, our sweetest and dearest Mrs. Pooja ma'am to address the gathering.
A very warm welcome, respected Chairman Sir, Director Sir, Nikhil, to all my staff members and my dear students. It's indeed a very warm welcome, warm afternoon. I guess Director Sir and Chairman Sir have discussed all the issues. As the Dean of Academics, my only responsibility lies in doing something for the students and to address your issues. And at the same time, also to stop you people from doing anything wrong. Yes, as Director Sir said, attendance is very important, and I would like to say that we're going to concentrate very seriously on this thing in any students with low attendance. So that's it, and have a good and also we know that this is the 11th year in our college. And with this year, we have finished 8 batches. Successfully, we are finishing 8 batches in Nishita College of Engineering and Technology. So it's indeed a proud moment for all of us. And it's an achievement of each and every member of this college for maintaining this for so many years. And also for the coming years. So I would like to thank everybody and thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your sweet words.
Now, I would like to call upon the senior most faculty of our college, Mr. Ahmed Sir, to address the gathering.
To all of you, on this 11th annual day celebrations today, I advise the students to see that they come regularly to the class, because attending the classes regularly will help you a lot, because if you study most of the topics yourself, it will be a difficult say affair. So attendance is of great importance, and then regularly study is also of great say help, because the syllabus will accumulate, and in the end it will be a great burden for the student to prepare himself. And job opportunities and career development is always available, but you should be the right person. If you are having the right say talent and knowledge, definitely the job will be after you. You will not run after the job. The job will be just in search of you, and there will be a good future, and all the available facilities available in this institution can be utilized, because it has been established in 2003. Right from 2003, so much of development has occurred, and all the facilities available here, which are standard, can be utilized by the students. Avail them and see that you get the right type of knowledge by the time you leave the institution and enter the world. Lastly, I advise all of you to prepare seriously for the ensuing mid-exams. Attend the mid-exams also regularly, and come in time, because some students will be arriving late also. See that you attend and score good internal marks. And end examinations also are on another 16 to 17 days are left.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable speech. That was very inspiring.
Now I would like to call upon HOD of Computer Science and Engineering branch, Mrs. Kiranmay Madam, to address the gathering.
To all the final year students, there is going to be a placement drive on 7th Monday. Your mid-examinations are going to start on 7th, so we are conducting drive at 8 o'clock in the campus. Is it clear? On 7th at 8 o'clock in the campus, we have to come here. Regarding transportation facility, we'll inform you at the end of the day. But right now, the students, those who have got 72 to 75% are eligible to attend the drive. All the students of CSE, ECE, IT, Mechanical are eligible to attend the drive. Those who have got 72 to 75% without any backlog till 4-1. If any backlog is there, it should be cleared. Alright, 72 to 75%, they should be eligible to attend the drive at 8 o'clock in the campus. From 10 o'clock onwards, your regular mid-examination is going to start. Your company name is SysBiz, 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 and it's based on Java. Job designation is software engineer. Alright, so special announcement to all the final year students. Keep it in mind. Alright, thank you.
Thank you, madam. Now it's time for all of us to continue with our cultural events. So I kindly request all the dignitaries to have their seats on the desk.
Dance by Shweta and Geeta.
Well, success doesn't occur overnight. It is a working potential with a string of positive determination.
This has been proved by achievers of academic medals. Our achievers have set new standards for others to follow.
Well guys, it has been a pleasure for the institution to be able to distribute these medals to the achievers every year in a vivid way.
The brilliant results and the splendid achievements by students every year signifies the ultimate goals of our college. Now, moving on to the academic medals prize distribution, may I please call upon stage Chairman Sir C. Vinay Kumar Garu and Director Sir Professor Vijay Kumar Garu.
CSE Department. The third place goes to K. Shravani with an aggregate of 76.67 and second place goes to P. Bhavani with an aggregate of 77.6%.
Coming to IT department, the 87%. Put your hands together, please. Next, coming to our EC department, bronze goes to J. Manaswini with 81.4%.
The bronze goes to E. Manasa with 75.5%. And silver goes to Harita with 76%.
And silver goes to A. Banu Prasad with 74.4%.
Coming to our EC department, the third place goes to S. Anusha with an aggregate of 83.47 and the second place goes to
Bonisa with 78.67%.
Krishna with an aggregate of 64.3, and the second place goes to G. Rahul with an aggregate of 65.
Coming to mechanical department, the bronze goes to V. Shivakumar Reddy with 80.27% and silver goes to A.
Moving on to the CSE department.
The bronze goes to K. Veena Kumari with 82.3% and silver goes to K. Shanti with 83.2%.
My friends Pranita and Ranti. Thank you.
C. Ramesh secured a silver medal. Aftab Alam secured a silver medal. Department. K. Monica secured a bronze medal. B. Santosha secured a silver medal.
Coming to first years, 58% bronze medal. Bronze medal. Shweta Bharti, silver medal. Coming to mechanical second year, S. Chandra Manikanta, bronze medal. Alia secured a silver. Coming to EC department, M. Pawan Rao secured the bronze medal.
B. Mahipal secured a bronze medal. And Preeti secured a silver medal. Come on guys, put your hands together.
love, kiss me on my lips. Lips. Oh yeah.
నువ్వు అంటే నాకు చాలా 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 ఇష్టమే, అది మాటల్లోన చెప్పలేక ముద్దే అడిగానే. నువ్వంటే నాకు చాలా 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 ఇష్టమే, అది మాటల్లోన చెప్పలేక ముద్దే అడిగానే. నచ్చితే ఇవ్వచ్చుగా, లేదంటే మనొచ్చుగా, అంతేగాని అందరిలోనూ చంపని కలాగి కొట్టావా. నువ్వంటే నాకు చాలా 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 ఇష్టమే, అది మాటల్లోన చెప్పలేక ముద్దడిగానే ముద్దడిగానే.
ఏడు మొహాలు వేసుకుని చూస్తారేంట్రా, వాయించండి.
That was a very energetic performance, boys. Show your energy, show some energy, boys. A big round of applause for our boys. What will you say about our boys? Renita.
Now hold your breath for another dance performance by 4th-year girls.
Let's see what our girls perform.
Up my man slow, up my do racing, get like that taste in my body. Once you beat us the deep, it's a part of the deep. Oi! Basta masa study, best to upa study. Oi! 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 Hey, raye na raga se nube paida se atta do best. శివకాశి అభిరాజేసి సిగ్గు పెట్టేస్తే లేసి పోతే పోతే లేసి పోతే పోతే చెట్టు మీద మ్యాంగోలా చాకులాంటి పిల్లాడే ఎంత చాకున్నాడే లేసి పోతే
కొని రసమని మారి ఇరుకిన మన గోవింద కాగా అనిచుకొని కామని డబలా దునియాన మన కసుమన కాయ మర్ జాని 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 ఓయ్ కసుమన కాయ మర్ జాని ఎలా కొట్టినా దుట్టినా తాళి గుట్టు కొట్టినా నువ్వు నాకు నచ్చినోడు రో
Actually, no words to express.
That's good.
It was really a very nice performance, but I think audience is not enjoying this performance.
Acha. Here's an announcement. All the Ramfork participants, please gather backstage.
And boys and girls, please show some energy. We will get the lunch, don't worry.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwaraya, Guru Sakshat Parbrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah.
College is like a second home, so the teachers here are like our parents.
They correct us when we are wrong and guide us to find the right path.
So let's take out some time, and it's time to felicitate them, some of our great teachers who worked hard for the glory of our college.
Now, I would like to invite Mr. Vinay Kumar, Chairman, onto the dais.
100% pass result in high voltage direct current transmission and electrical distribution system. Thank you, sir.
To have fun. मगर अब क्या होगा?
What do you think, audience?
Any guesses, guys?
हाँ, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. I'm not able to hear any of you.
जोर से थोड़ा.
लगता है सब लोग प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन देख के थक गए हैं, right? No excitement between audience, nothing. Just बैठ के देख रहे हैं. क्या देख रहे हैं पता नहीं चल रहा है यार.
Sorry for next into Shweta.
Next, I'm thinking Shruti. Actually, you know what? Shruti was teaching me Telugu from last 1 week. लेकिन finally I have learned this word.
But నీకు తెలుగు నేర్పించి అలసిపోయాను నేనైతే.
అలసిపోయావా? Okay, fine. अब वो होने वाला है जिसका आप सबको सुबह से इंतजार है. And it's none other than the hypnotizing ramp walk.
श्वेता, रैम्प वॉक तो फाइनली स्टार्ट हो रहा है, मगर पहले लड़का को बुलाया लड़की को?
Of course, ladies first. What say ladies? Yes.
हमेशा लड़की को बुलाती ना, एक बार हम लोग लड़का को चांस देंगे.
No. Ladies first, always girls.
No यार, लड़का को बुलाएंगे.
लड़कियों को बुलाएंगे.
नहीं लड़का को.
लड़कियों को बुलाएंगे.
लड़का को.
लड़कियों को बुलाएंगे.
लड़का.
మీరేంట్రా నన్ను చూస్తున్నారు? ఎవరి డప్పుడు కొట్టండా?